Hello guys, Enter here. Welcome back to the daily vlog. And today I will be showing you my fidget spinner. Yes, you heard me correctly. A fidget spinner. Kitty. So, yeah, here's the news. Kitty got kicked out of the house. This is the same one from the cat video. She got her ear snipped. I mean, she got fixed. She still loves me, nonetheless. But yeah, this is my fidget spinner. Do you want to see the fidget spinner, Kitty? Kitty, do you want to see the fidget spinner? Kitty, look. Oh yeah, also some bad news. Look, I don't have my other bearing cap. I'm trying to do a YouTube video. Yes. That was my neighbor. He plays rock music a lot. I don't know why though. But, nonetheless, he would like for Kitty, or she will be mad. I'm just kidding, she won't be mad. She'll still be happy nonetheless. Won't you, Kitty? Won't you, Kitty? Kitty, won't you? Oh, yeah. So leave a like. Subscribe. If you haven't already. So go to that. Comment down. Fidget spinner. Comment down hashtag fidget spinner. So yeah, this has been the daily vlog. And see ya. Sorry. Bye-bye.